Friendship begins with trust, but when trust is broken, the hurt cuts deep.
Why would he do that? I thought he was my friend.
Betrayal doesn't just hurt, it isolates. A child may begin to believe they don't belong anywhere.
When children experience betrayal in friendship, it shakes their sense of safety. Some withdraw, some shut down. They may believe no one can be trusted again. By helping them name their feelings, set boundaries, and understand healthy trust, we guide them towards safer, stronger relationships in the future.
Do you want to play soccer with us? We're one player short.
Even after betrayal, one simple act of kindness can begin the healing.
Children may be small, but their feelings are big. This story holds many layers. Watch again, and you may discover more. If it touched you, share it with someone who might need it. Question: have you ever felt betrayed by a friend? What helped you trust again? We are here to listen, without judgment. This was one of many Child Mind stories.